So, hi friends, no intro, it's going to be short. Today I am going to talk about morphology, textures, shadows and glows, morphology. So, the first one which I am going to tell is textures, and I am going to give it a music because there is only a single option there, which is ink blot. So, without any delay, let's start. So here's the option. This is the single option, so then you can still enjoy with the song. So let's see. So live preview, this is a pretty good effect if you change the size, complexity, variation. Variation would change the pattern a little bit. Variation would change the pattern, tilt the pattern, as you can see it will tilt the pattern. Horizontal inlay means if you increase the horizontal inlay, the sides are going to become longer, and if you decrease vertical inlay, the top is going to become shorter. So that's pretty cool. Displacement means if it's low displacement, then you can't. It's not type of effect. Higher displacement is, for example, 100. It would be reaching at the top. So I recommend about 50 or 40 displacement blend. If you make the blend to 0, there's nothing behind it, so this looks very worse. I recommend around, not too much blend, around 8 or 7, that would be good. The strokes can't see that much difference, so that's not good. So next one is fractal noise. This one also is pretty cool. Okay, this one also is not that worse. The same thing works here. Stroke can be normal, narrow, overlapping, external and custom. So that's a pretty cool feature. Apply, it would be applied. So I am making it to the normal size. So let's start again the process. done. Now we have to go to shadows and glows. So I'm going to talk here near music because there are very less options. I think in morphology, yes, morphology also there are less options. I am not going to give any music. So let's talk about it. Cutout glow will be like a cutout and a pretty glow around it. Cutout in this and this side and glow in this and this side. So that's how it looks. So shadows and glows, dark and glow. So that's all sides would be dark plus around it would be glowing. So that's also pretty cool. Next one, filters, shadows and glows, drop shadow. So this is just this. So it's like a sun. This is the object. Sun is above it and its shadow like that it looks like. So if you increase the horizontal, the shadow will move to the right, to the left. If you increase it, it will move to the right. If you decrease it, it will move to the left. The blur, if you increase too much, it would be not that normal. So I recommend only 30 to some around it. So now horizontal offset is also pretty cool. Vertical offset, this will make it down up. So if we increase it too much, it would go to the down side, and if you increase it, if you decrease it a lot, then it will go above. So shadow type is here. If you make it inner, it's not that much clear because there's no shadow, so don't make it inner. Outer cutout, so I don't like outer cutout and inner cutout because that doesn't even look at all good. Shadow only is also worse. So you can select the blur color here. Wait a second. First let me make it outer. Oh, live preview, sorry. That's the problem. Wait. Okay, that's because I have selected the option already, so that will be like that. If I select it again, then it would not have any problem. So that's pretty good. Let's continue. Shadows and glows, emergence. So that's not at all an effect. Shadows and glows, in and out. So this is like red because I give it red, and behind it a little outline of shadow, and other all are white. Inset. So that's like shadow behind it. So that's it for shadows and glows. The last thing, morphology. So that's going to be the great thing. Therefore, first, black hole. Black hole means it would be like black inside with a little bit of red. So that's pretty good. Actually, I don't love it like that. Contouring discrete. But one of the things I don't like about this is that now this is contouring discrete. Next one is contouring table, which almost look the same. That's what I don't like about these two. Not morphology, but these two. So next one is cool outside. So it will be like outside would be like blue, which indicates cool, and inside would be white. So this is, I can't tell anything about this. So it's according to your choices. Morphology, cross, smooth. So if we live preview, if I decrease blur, I will keep the blur content. Dilation, if you increase dilation, I have already selected the options, that's why. Okay, now inner. So width would make it, this edges would become like sharp, but if you increase the width, it would become so curved. So that's pretty good. But I don't think if you want, so this one you can increase the level. Level doesn't matter. If you didn't increase width that much, then the level won't work. So if you want to be shorter, make the width a lot, so you can do this. Or else there will be no difference. Dilation, one of the greatest things I have to remind you, don't be fooled. If you increase the erosion much bigger than dilation, it little bit bigger than dilation, it would go. So please make sure that erosion should be lower, a lot lower than dilation, lot lower. So if I keep here around 10 or around 60 points difference, more than that should be there. Anti-aliasing is not that good option. So that's it. Outer, open. Open does not always work. It does work, but if you might be very scared, but suddenly when increased width it came. Don't be fooled. You have to decrease the erosion. Just make it 0. But here what matters that if you decrease erosion too much, it's going to be worse. You can make the width 0, but it will not be there. So this is the cold effect, and apply, it will be applied. I hope this one might be simple for you, not hard. Next one is outline, the last option for today. So I have already practiced with it, so that's why it is like this. We increase width 1, dilation 1, erosion 1, width 2, dilation 2, erosion 2. So don't decrease erosion too a lot. That's only what I had to tell. Anti-aliasing isn't that great option. So next one is color. So you can stroke opacity, fill opacity, apply, it would be applied. So that's how it goes truly. So filters, morphology, posterized blur. So it's like the second option of conjuring table, but it's the blur and it only contains red, so it's pretty great. So now the last one, it is warm inside. So it will be like, actually it feels like warm outside, but it looks like warm inside also. So these are all very cool effects. So now one more thing I have to discuss with you. Don't leave. There are only few more parts. This is part 9. I think there will be part 11 till 11. I think next part, I think it may need 12. So there are only very few filters. I think 5 filters are remaining. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.